In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Sutton Bank branches and ATMs near you, step by step. Whether you're planning to visit a branch in person or simply looking for the nearest ATM to grab some quick cash, I'm here to guide you through the entire process seamlessly. To begin, let's open up a web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you're most comfortable using. Once you have it open, we need to head over to Google's search engine. Now type in the phrase, "Find Sutton Bank Branches and ATMs," and hit enter. This specific search query will help direct you right to the resources you need to find the nearest locations in your area. Upon pressing enter, you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Focus on finding the official Sutton Bank website link here. It'll often be listed among the top results. Click on Sutton Bank when you find it, which will take you to the bank's main page. Now that we're on the Sutton Bank website, we'll want to look for a link labeled Locations and Hours. Usually you'll find this link displayed prominently on banks' websites since accessing locations is a common need. Click on this link and it will direct you to a dedicated page containing all branch locations and ATM information. Here on the Locations and Hours page, you can view all available Sutton Bank branch locations. Locations are often listed by city or region, and you may even find a list that includes each branch, complete with address, phone number, and operating hours. This is also the page where you can find details about ATM locations. When browsing these lists, if you're looking for an ATM, pay attention to the listings that explicitly mention ATM availability. Some branches provide ATM services 24/7, whereas full-service branches might have more limited hours. Regardless, all the information you need will be concentrated here. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Sutton Bank website to find the exact location information you need. With this information at your fingertips, you can plan your visit or ATM use efficiently and without any hassle. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your next bank visit that much easier. Remember, whenever you need to find a Sutton Bank branch or ATM again, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like or subscribe for more helpful guides.